I'm Constance. Let me introduce you the Hot Bake Sandwich vending machine from Hot Bake. Hot Bake is a hot meal vending machine company that operates 70 vending machines in Singapore, which provides hot sandwiches in just 90 seconds. Let me show you. To buy a hot baked sandwich is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1 is to make payment. You can make payment by NETS, cash, notes, or coin. Step 2 is to select your choice of sandwiches and wait for 90 seconds for the vending machine to heat up and prepare your sandwich. Step 3, collect your sandwich here. Come, let me buy you a sandwich. For this demonstration, I will be paying by cash. So, insert the price of the sandwich. Next, we select which sandwich we want and press the button. Then, we wait for 90 seconds. Now, take out your sandwich. Enjoy!